We're gonna do a 2016 King Kylie inspired makeup tutorial. You guys all may know, some of you probably don't know what the King Kylie era is, but the King Kylie era is a time between around 2014 and 2016 when Kylie Jenner was doing these super cool makeup looks. She had a really specific, bold look in her makeup. It was a very specific angle to the eyebrow. She had her lips in a very pretty matte color. The look was flawless. There was really no blush. It was all matte. It was all bold and full face. It was a full beat of makeup. On top of that, she had very specific hair styles and hair colors. My favorite one is when she has pink hair. For some reason, people started calling her King Kylie. So these are the two pictures that I'm using as reference. I know that this may not be exactly what you expect from reference images, but the reason why I chose these as a reference is because both of these looks, even though they capture her face in kind of funny angles, both of these looks have a vibe to them. This is currently her profile picture on Instagram. This is the vibest picture I've ever seen. But I just feel like it's so simple to read. Like the lips, the skin, the little blush here on the sides, the specific eyeshadow, and eyebrows. It's really like a step-by-step, really easy to read image. If you guys haven't yet listened to Kylie Jenner's new song called Fourth Stripe, you better listen to it right now, because let me tell you, you're gonna feel 2016 like you've never felt it before. 2016 is back. 2026 is the new 2016. Off the bat, I want to show you guys my look today. My fit, it's kind of simple and basic and all pink and sweet. But the reason why it's all pink and sweet is because the Victoria's Secret fashion show is happening tomorrow. So, you know, I gotta represent my girlies. I wanted to show you guys what my makeup bag looks like. I feel like oftentimes we don't really get to see makeup artist makeup bags, but mine is essentially just full crate. It's like a makeup Birkin bag. It's crazy. I've used my makeup bag as my makeup rag before. I know, it's disgusting. I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face. Moisturizer is really good. I don't always moisturize, and I feel like that's always my mistake. I think the second step is gonna be using any sort of pore primer. The pore primer is just really gonna fill all of those gaps and holes in our face. And this is just to correct everything that I hate about my face. I'm literally just gonna like go ham. This is a full beat. This is a full beat look. I'm gonna go in with another shade. All right, now we're gonna do something kind of crazy. So we're going to conceal into our nose. Ooh, I hate the way that my eye sounds when I do that. That is really disgusting. So next, I'm gonna be using a little bit of a bronzer. This is CoverGirl True Blend Minerals Golden Sunrise Mineral Bronzer. This is my mom's from like, I wanna say probably 2016, if not earlier. I just stole it from her when I was like first getting into makeup. I'm gonna work in a 3. That's kind of how Kim Kardashian, I think, showed it. Can't you haunt me down for one night like I got 3 stripes? In order for you to completely master this look, you need to buy yourself or have a really skinny, flat, square brush. This is an actual painter's brush that I bought from Michael's. But what we're gonna do for the eyebrows is we're going to draw thin lines on the bottom of our brows. And the line is going to drag. This is so hard to do. The line is going to drag from the tip of our brow into the center point. And you're literally going to reach like right above the eye. Like if this is the corner of your eye, you want this to end like diagonally. You want the darker area to be the outside of the brow, and then you want it to get lighter as you're going towards the middle of the brow. So we're not done. You might think I have crazy eyebrows right now. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, I hope that this is like a good enough angle for you guys to see everything at. But the OG trick that I remember seeing is putting concealer right on your hand and doing it from your hand, almost like your hand's the palette. So we're just gonna dip right into that. We're gonna get both sides. We're gonna start off by going from the center. And we're gonna drag that line underneath. And we're gonna carve those eyebrows right out. So blur out that concealer back into your skin, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the right eyebrow. You know you're doing it right when it looks like you have Sharpie on your eyebrows. For the next part of our Kylie Jenner look, I'm gonna grab my little palette right here. It's called Wild Huda Beauty. It's like a really small palette that has like pretty much all the essential colors that you need. And I'm gonna mix these two right here on my hand. Okay. And I'm just going to gently tap into the corner of the eye. And I'm gonna pull it upwards a little bit and above. This is like, I'd say like a very neutral look. Great, this looks wonderful. I love this so dearly. Live by this eyeliner. I live by it. You have to first shake it. There's a little ball inside and it gets the juices flowing. We're gonna start by drawing a little dot in the center of the eye. We're gonna map this out. We're going to draw a line that follows down to the corner of our eye from that dot. Okay, great. And then we're going to connect do the eyeliner. I think it looks great. What I do now is I take a little skinny brush. It could be the same one that you use for your eyebrows or a little bit thinner. And I'm gonna go into a little bit of a warmer shade, blow on it, and I just go directly underneath. So I mixed a pour powder, two different eyeshadows. One was like a sandy color and one was like a peachy color. Created this. Hopefully it will become exactly what we need it to be. Let's test it on my lips right now. I'm a little scared. Whoa, this is not what I expected. Hold up, wait. Is this like kind of it though? Is this kind of what I needed right now? But we could always mix on top of it. So hear me out. We're gonna grab a cooler palette. We're gonna finger this shit completely. Gray, brown, and let's mix it on here. I don't think that we're supposed to look emo, but I also don't think that we're supposed to look like a Barbie doll, you know? Like it's supposed to be a happy medium. I mean, Kylie Jenner was in her emo phase during that time period, so I feel like it's kind of correct for me to have this shade. I don't know. I'm kind of digging this right now. I can kind of see her rocking this look. I don't know about the hair necessarily, but, or the outfit for that matter. But I think we're kind of doing a Kylie Jenner moment. I'm gonna change really quickly and see if I can like maybe do a little bit of a different outfit, maybe a different hairstyle, and maybe we did it. Let's see. Let's see. Are you guys ready to see this transformation? Because I do not think you guys are. Them as, but this is the hair underneath. I feel like it's really cool, but it took me like 3 seconds to do. That's why it's a little chopped. But yeah, that's my transformation for you guys. I wonder what you guys think. But yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys like the video, if you guys like makeup videos. Yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.